Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got a different kind of build for you. If you recall in the unboxing video, I purchased this kit partially assembled. This is the 76 Chevy Caprice from MPC. And I planned on doing some basic build on it. However, the person that owned it before me, they glued the chassis together and the interior and the glass all in, and along with the engine too, it looks like. So I'm going to do something a little wild and crazy on this build, and I'll come back to you and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so what I've done is I've grabbed some spare wheels and tire, or not wheels, they're original to the kit, but the tires are out of my parts bin, and I put those on, and all of these parts here, all that's is included with this kit. It has separate exhaust, the hood, and the chrome bumpers and grille with the headlights. So I'm going to do something a little crazy, and I hope you like it. I'll be right back. Yep, so far coming along nicely. I'll explain more in a minute. Well, there you have it, folks. 1976 Chevy Caprice with a map motif, we'll call it. Yeah, something a little different, folks. Remember, this body was all glued together, the glass and everything was in place, so I couldn't do a whole lot to it. So I figured, what the heck, I'd do it like that. A little different. It has Lansing on the top, Detroit on the hood, where the auto industry took off. Flint was another big part of the automotive industry. And on the side here, we have Gary, Indiana, which is close to South Bend, Indiana, which is where Round 2 is based out of. And then right next to that is Willow Run, where a lot of the cars were built back in the day. So there you go, something a little different. I thank you all for stopping by. This was a quick one. I'm sorry I didn't give you a lot of details on it, but I just wanted to get it out for you. So have yourselves a great day. Model Car Guy Rich out. I'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.